my birthday! Yay! Well, not today for me, but today for you because I'm posting this on December 5th, which is mine and Walt Disney's birthday. And that being said, I'm going to be at Disneyland celebrating our birthday as I do, well, every year for the past couple of years except 2020. But I think I'm probably going to start doing it every other year and start switching it up. But anywho, this year I'm for sure going to Disneyland to celebrate. With some major life changes on the way, I think I'm going to start celebrating at Disneyland every other year, but we'll see. I'm like planning ahead and I'm just like, oh, there's so many things that I want to change about pretty much everything that I do online because there are going to be some big changes in my actual real life. So we'll see. And don't worry, I'll let you in on it. It's going to be essential for me to let you in on it. Probably the end of January 2023 because although everything that is changing is happening the end of this year in December 2022, I'm probably gonna be all stressed out and figuring things out for a while, but then once everything settles down, probably hopefully around the end of January 2023, I'll be able to share it with you guys. And yeah, I think that's gonna be really, really exciting. So yeah, that is the update, the birthday update. Also, sorry, my hair is a mess and I'm in my pajamas. Today is not my actual birthday, so I'm I don't need to get ready. I'm just going to head out like this because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created my birthday dress with no to zero knowledge of how to sew. I do have a sewing machine and I did attempt to make I kind of succeeded in making a birthday dress last year, and this is what it looked like. It was pretty cute. It was like a puff sleeve flare out dress, and again, from far away, it looks absolutely adorable, and I really love the way it came out, except it was a little bit too short, and I can't make a dress from scratch, so I need to have a base on the bottom, and what I did was I used a top and a skirt and I just sewed the snowflake fabric on top. However, the top and the skirt, I actually really like them just as they are, and I want to be able to wear them normally, so I undid the dress so I could have the top and the skirt back without the snowflake fabric, and I'm kind of sad because it turned out kind of cute from far away. When you look closely, it was all hanging by a thread. But again, I thought it was really cute and I kind of want to recreate it, but we're gonna have to see because I'm thinking of headed to the thrift store and finding a dress that I could use as a base, again because I cannot make a dress from scratch. I already know I could probably barely do this, but yeah, I'm gonna find a dress at the thrift store, preferably one with puff sleeves, but we'll see, and then just put the fabric on top. And then because that's going to be probably a quick little piece of this video, I want to take you guys to Disneyland too. So tomorrow I'm going to be heading over to Disneyland to watch the Christmas Fantasy Parade. They're going to be filming it for the ABC special, and I want to see if I could be in the shot because that is the thing. But yeah, so today making the dress, tomorrow heading to Disneyland. 2 days from that, my actual birthday, the day that you're watching this. Anywho, let's head on over to the thrift store. Again, ideally, I would like to find a white dress with puff sleeves and a flare skirt. That would be perfection. But I feel like that's a bit too specific. So let's see what we have to work with. Not a lot. But honestly, I really don't have time to go to multiple thrift stores. So I'm just going to, get the closest thing to what I want. And it is this flared white skirt with this lace detailing. You know what, it's close enough. I like the flared skirt and the white trim, so I think it's gonna have to be it, because again, I do not have time to go to multiple thrift stores to find the perfect dress. And you know what, I think this is gonna work. I think it'll work. And obviously this is not a tutorial or anything, but I just wanted to show you what I did to make this, and just as I predicted, it looks good from far away. All I did was cut out the lace that was on top of the dress, the base of the dress, and then once all of that was gone and it was just literally the base of the dress, I sewed the fabric on top. And it took me forever, and sometimes it came out a little bit wonky because again, I do not know how to use my sewing machine, so I had to cut away all the thread and then redo it and all that stuff. But overall, I think it came out pretty cool, and I like that because of the organza fabric being the way it is, it just automatically makes it flare out. A little update on the dress, I added a little bit, literally half of the skirt. Also, yes, I'm wearing my pajamas underneath. Half of the skirt. And I think it actually looks really, really good. I think I'm going to have to add a belt just because I'm not very good at making everything even. I think the belt will be a nice way to hide the details on this and how everything is just Frankenstein together. But overall, so far I think it's gonna work out. Here is the dress and my messy room because, again, we're in the middle of a big change in our lives, and that involves me being really unorganized and messy because things are changing. But yeah, I'm super excited to share with you what's going on, but not yet. But yeah, sorry for the mess. That being said, let me just go ahead and shove everything to the corner over there so it's out of frame and you can't see it, so I can show you how I plan on styling this dress for my birthday. So I actually was kind of bummed out that I wasn't able to make puff sleeves for this dress because I really like the way that my dress last year came out and I wanted to recreate it. However, I did not find, a base that had puff sleeves, and I don't know how to make puff sleeves from scratch. And even if I did, this organza fabric would be so itchy if it just like contacted your skin. I can't imagine just organza sleeves. That'd be so uncomfortable. But I think it's gonna work out because I'm thinking because it's sleeveless, I could layer a long sleeve underneath and it'll look really, really cute. I mean, you could layer a long sleeve underneath a puff sleeve dress and still look cute, but I feel, for me, it just feels like there's a lot going on over here, especially because I have long hair, plus the puff sleeves, plus the mock neck, long sleeves, so I'm like, that'd be too much. So it's going to work out because this is sleeveless, so let me go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I think that this looks pretty cute. I like it, and it's going to be chilly that day, so the long sleeve will make sense. However, now that I look at it, does it look a little bit too, like, casual? Like, not really, because I want my birthday dress to be like, wow, that is a very special dress for a very special day. It's probably her birthday. And this looks cute, but a little bit, again, too casual because of the long sleeve. Also, I need a belt, so let's try to figure this out. Okay, so it already looks way better with a belt. Much more cinched in. Also hides the fact that this area right here is like not properly sewn. So again, far away, it looks pretty good. But when I was looking for my belt, I also saw these gloves, and I was like, ooh, I think that's gonna elevate the look a bit. So instead of sleeves, I could use these long gloves as my sleeves and just have cold shoulders, but it's gonna look elegant. Ooh. Yes, I'm really loving the way it looks so far, so I think I'm gonna probably go with this. Hopefully it's not too chilly. Oh my. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I look like a princess. Should I wear a crown? That's too much. I feel like that's too much. Last year I wore my little tiara and it was fine, but I do want to change it up a little. You know what this reminds me of though? It reminds me of Princess Diaries because she also wears a white dress and then long gloves, but it's different because this is snowflakes and it's short, so but that's so cute. Okay, I love this. And then so I was either thinking a bow or a crown, but I think I'm gonna go with the bow. I like the bow. See the bow in my hair? Okay, it actually kind of looks like I'm getting married. You know, it's fine. I love it. It's cute. Yay! Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I think this is it. Y'all. Let me go ahead and put this bow on to get the full effect. Am I gonna be cold? Probably. But honestly, I'm probably gonna wear this for maybe like the first 2 hours that I'm at Disneyland. Take all my photos and my videos and be like, oh yes, it is my birthday. And then after that, I'm going to change into an oversized sweatshirt and some ripped jeans and my Converse, and I'm just going to enjoy the day. And it's gonna be great. Oh, okay, I love this. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really, really excited now. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. And yeah, so if you want to see me rocking this dress, literally right now, go on my Instagram at Krystal Everdeen, and I don't know, just please follow me on Instagram at Krystal Everdeen. Anywho, yeah, this is how I'm gonna style it. This is it. Okay, now that that's over, made my dress, figured out how I'm going to wear it, let's head over to Disneyland. Let's jump to tomorrow and head over to Disneyland. Originally, I came here specifically on this day because of they're filming the Christmas parade, and I thought that maybe I could snag a spot and be in the filming, but before I knew it, I got here at Rope Top, and it was specifically so I could get a good spot. But I was like, oh, nobody's lining up, it's fine. So I just, went about my day. We went on a couple rides. My friend came, we were just hanging out, and then by the time I was like, okay, it's about 2 hours from the show, I'm gonna check to see if people are lined up, but nobody was lined up, and I was like, oh, okay. But then my friend was like, no, you need to see if anyone's lined up by like the filming equipment. And it was jam-packed, y'all. It was jam-packed, which means that I did not get a spot where I could potentially be in the filming portion of the Christmas parade, sadly. But I did get a pretty sweet spot here on Main Street to watch the parade myself, so pretty happy about that, especially because it's probably going to be it is the first and probably the only time I'm going to sit here and watch the parade, because I'm going to admit something to you, I'm not a parade person. When it comes to like watching it over and over again, I could watch a parade or a show maybe twice and be good for the rest of the year. So yeah, this is going to be probably my one time, and it's going to be great because, hey, I got a really, really good spot. I'm excited. thought like they would need to pause and like, I don't know, redo like scenes over and over so they could get the perfect shot. But it went by really, really fast, or like normal. And it was cool. It was very enjoyable. Everyone looked great. Everyone did great. I love all the performers. And Santa Claus was super cool this year. Like, he was saying Merry Christmas in every, like, well, like in a bunch of different languages. And I'm like, I feel like he never did that before. At least I don't remember. But anyway, I thought that Santa was cool. The parade was really cool, and I think it was worth it to come specifically for that. But now I actually have to go. There's a couple of things I need to do today. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to go to the parade and then head out. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.